In this video, we will show you how to replace your front license plate mounting bracket on this Ford F-150. This will be mounted to your front bumper. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To be able to remove this bracket, you're going to find that you have two upper mounting points. We're not dealing with those yet. Along the bottom, you're going to find that you have two lower mounting points. These are actually locking tabs and they're accessed from under the front of the vehicle. Now from under this area, we're going to dislodge our forward splash shield. This is held in place with 3 plastic push clips. To remove these, I'm using a trim tool, but you can use pretty much anything as a prying device. Make your way in between and gently pull them out of place. There we are. Now we'll fold that aside. Now we're going to have to carefully make our way in between this area. Obviously, we want to be careful for any pinch points. What we're paying attention to is 2 locking tabs. You can see one right along this area here. There's a small tab protruding down from there. There's a second one over towards the passenger side. For each of these, if you were to reach along the front of your license plate bracket and push it rearward towards the bumper, it's going to loosen up that locking tab. I'm using a flat blade screwdriver to depress it upward, and now as I reach along the front, I can start pulling that away. We'll repeat the process over here, pressing it in, pulling it out of place. All right, let's make our way out from under the vehicle. We'll start pulling the bottom away. Now up along the top, there's 2 more tabs for these. You just want to lift it up and away. You can see those 2 tabs. And there it is, friend. Prior to installation of the new plate bracket, let's make sure we clean the mounting area. Obviously, you can clean down the bumper as far as you want to. I just want to inspect the mounting area. This looks good. Now it's time to install our brand new plate bracket. We're starting along the top. These hooks need to fit in along the top of the front bumper. As we continue on, we'll roll this lower area down into its proper position, locking it in. You can see in between these 2 areas, small slots for those locking tabs to fit into. Press that in there. Now I'm looking along the bottom. We can make any adjustments as necessary. Let's continue on pressing it in. Listen for an audible click from each one of your 2 locking tabs and give it a light shake, confirming it's properly secured. You do not want your front license plate falling off while you're driving down the road. Now we're back underneath the front bumper of the vehicle so we can reattach our splash shield across the front here. You have several push clips that need to fit into their corresponding ports. Just go ahead and line them up and press them in. Let's get the next one. And then the last one all the way over on the far side. Double check to make sure that's secured. We can make our way out from under the vehicle. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.